Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you some amazing fence ideas, how you can make your fences look amazingly beautiful and also can protect your garden as well. Not only this, but remember to use your garden ideas and lots of other fences ideas as well. With only this, you can not only make your garden look amazing, but also the security purposes are also fulfilled. There are wooden and there are different types of garden and fences ideas. As you can see that there are a lot of other things that fences can be used, such as fences are of different types. Not only those fences can be used which are of different types, but also there are wrought iron fences, wooden fences, bamboo fences, fences that are of different style and architectural designs. See in this picture, as you can see, if lights come out of these photos of these fences would enlighten up your garden, and not only enlighten up your garden but also add aesthetically beautiful culture to your garden. Remember to use fences which are long lasting, and very important, the fact that the weather and air conditions of your garden will make your fences look amazingly and would affect them as well. Also, you can add flowers and plants and plots to your garden such that these pots and flowers can be a source of aestheticness as well. Also, remember to use fences that are of height so that you can be safe from the wildlife as well, so that they can be held and they can be used not only for aesthetically appealing and making your garden look beautiful, but also to remember to make your garden look aesthetically appealing as well. Remember to use gardens and color palettes which are strong and solid colors. So these solid colors can also let you garden look very good and neat and tidy. Remember to use fences which are of very strong so that they can make and be very built up in any other houses as well. Remember to use flowers in the fences as well. Bamboo flowers are used a lot, while wooden flower fences are very conventional as seen in the picture and can be used all over the places again and again. Also remember to use fences with flowers as well so that they can be looking more beautiful. Not only this, remember to use fences which are more wider and longer so that you can be very safe from wildlife. Fences can be very useful for kids in this era where they are small as well, to keep your garden safe. And remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.